Let me quickly show you how to switch from a personal account to a business profile on Venmo. Welcome back everyone to Howgenic. If you have a business and you want to receive and send payments through Venmo, you'll need to first of all switch to a business account. To do that, let's head over to Venmo. To find the option of switching to a business profile, head over to the Me section on the bottom right, and then you can tap on the settings icon which is on the top right. This way you land on the settings page, and the second option you'll see under preferences is the option called create business profile. Just tap on this second option. Now before starting off, you need to either select your social security number or your business EIN number depending upon your type of tax filing. So select one of these options that apply to you. Once that step is complete, you need to add in your business name and then create a username for Venmo. So add in the exact business name or the legal name that you have for your business, and then also add in the business username. Make sure the username is also identical, or if possible, the exact same as your business name, so that other people can easily transfer payments through your username. Apart from this, you'll also need to add in a profile picture and a cover picture on the background so that it is easy for people to get or understand that this is the business they are paying to. Once you fill in this information, tap on next. In the next section, you'll need to provide information about your tax filing. So add in your legal name again, as you already did. So add in your legal name here as well. Date of birth, your home address, social security number or your ITIN number, depending upon your tax filing, and then tap on next again. Lastly, you need to add in your information so that other people can reach out. You may need to add in your email address, your street address, as well as your phone number. If you have a website, you can also add that in. Most of these are going to be optional. The only important thing is going to be to add in your name and your address so that other people can easily reach you. Once this step is also complete, you can tap on next. Now, once you successfully switched from a personal account to a business account, there are a few things that you need to know. Apart from a personal account, a business account will have a charge. Whenever you or your business receives payment on your Venmo, you're going to get charged 1.9% of the total payment plus 10 cents. So no matter the amount, the 10 cents is going to be static, and 1.9% of the total amount that you receive on your Venmo. Some of the other features that a business account or a business profile has is the option of splitting payments, adding in transaction notes, and adding in records and receipts so that it is easier for you to bookkeep all of these transactions. So those are the steps that you can follow in order to switch from a personal account to a business profile. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up.